Big dicks with the semi? Fucking fag. Yeah!
You're putting this shit on YouTube when it gets gapped, just saying.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's not getting gapped. Dude, I'm telling you. Your fucking GMC is gonna be down in the drain, bro.
It's got the fucking factory fucking air filter on it.
Hold on, bro. This thing's filled, bro. Hey, this green one right here, this is what keeps my truck alive.
Dude, blow this piece of shit up.
Are you ready? That bitch just kills the truck.
Have you ever had that shit come off when you're driving?
Yeah, I did, and I had to get it towed back to my shop because I thought my fucking engine blew up.
This fucking alligator clamp?
Yes! Oh, this is what keeps my truck running, bro. I swear to God.
You fucking stone ass.
Actually?
Yes.
You think this bitch better gap my truck?
I know.
You think it is?
I know.
If I had nitrous, it wouldn't.
Is this cigarette taste good?
I got a strap.
I got a pecker.
What the fuck?
That's about it.
It was like, you know, people got to get gas, and
Okay. It's not getting gapped, dude. I'm telling you. Gapped. You're racing a little more. Huh?
You're racing the 602.
I'll race you for the third time tonight. You lose tonight. I feel this one shut it off for the night.
Hey, if it makes you feel special, then his trans is slipping hard.
My trans doesn't have third order overdrive, bro. I'm first and second, that's max. I told you this is a stock 5.3. This stock 5.3 got slow as shit. You wanna line them up? I got a stock 6.0.
Oh!
Third and overdrive gone.
It's Bill. It's got fucking pistons. It's got long tubes.
This bitch about slow.
you feel it?
Huh?
A little bit.
You're a bitch.
You're a bitch, dude.
Imagine getting hit by that truck.
Oh, do not. Just fucking let off.
Yeah.
Oh, it's your light inside. I was like, bro, there ain't no way we gotta be cracking. Hold it in first, put it to the floor, and do not let the fuck out. I want you to start halfway across that bridge and walk that motherfucker all the way down. I'll fucking, no, I'll sit in one spot for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. That's it.
bunch of trucks going south right now. That's what we're asking.
No, we're going to our buddy's house.
Okay.
On the road.
No.